Hi, Eamon is my name. I am going to show you today how to set up the controller. The first thing we need to do is set the time. Well, before we do that, we need to put in some batteries. So you click the top, there's a clip, open up your controller and in goes your batteries. And then close it back in. Now, first thing we're going to do is pull down the flat bottom of the screen. We hit the set button. See the set buttons here? Hit the set. So we've hit the set button, and you will then see a day button. So you hit the day button once, and you'll see on the top of the screen 1 begins to flash. 1 represents Monday, but just say today is Wednesday, for example. We hit the plus button and we see now 3 flashes top of the screen. That now we have set Wednesday being 3. We hit the day button again, and then the hour starts to flash. So select your time, 1400 hour, hit the day button again, and the minute starts to flash, and select whatever time you want by hitting plus or minus, and hit the set button. And you will see there the time, the time is there, 14:59, and 3 represents Wednesday. So that's how you set your time. What we're going to do now is we're going to set up a program. What the program allows you to do is when the panel will come off, when the panel will come on. You would have a different program for your bedroom to your living room. We'll say, for example, we're going to set up the bedroom timer. So what we do is we hold the set button, we hit then the program. Wrong button. So we hold the set button, hit program, and you will see what happens. That flashes on top of the screen. Now you can isolate 1 to 7 represents Monday to Sunday. By isolating a particular day, we can hit plus and minus. The different situations will be in a commercial environment. You might want to program Sunday differently to the other days of the week because you're not in the office on a Sunday. Whereas in a home environment, you will have the same program every day, Monday to Sunday. So what we're going to do here is all the numbers flashing on top of the screen represents that we're going to set the same program for every day of the week. We then hit the program button again, and you'll see here now that the time starts to flash. That's the time you want the first program to kick in at. So at 6 o'clock in the morning, in this situation, you can pre-select your time by plus and minus. We then hit the program button again, so the time flashes, and then we hit the program again and the temperature flashes. By hitting plus and minus, we can decide what temperature we want the panel to maintain over that period of time. So you see here, I hit the plus button again and it moves to P2, program 2. So at 8 o'clock in the morning, I've said that I want the temperature to be at 15 degrees. I hit the program button again. At 12:30, I'm also going to maintain 15 degrees. Program 4, at 1800 hours, I'm going to increase my panel up to 20 degrees. By hitting program button again, at 6:30 in the evening, I'm going to decrease it back down to 18 degrees. Now, I've set up this before, but to change the times and the temperature, you hit the plus and the minus button. But the principle being, this is how you get into it. Program 6, at 11:30 at night, I'm going to drop it back down to 15 degrees. Which means, to summarize, in the morning my panel is going to come on, temperature is going to increase. When I'm left the room during the day, it will maintain a temperature during that day, and then in the evening it's going to come back on again to a higher temperature. So to summarize how you get into the brain of the controller to set your time, you just hit the set button a few times, once is fine. Hold the set button and at the same time hit program. Now if you're not quick enough, after 10 seconds it will reset itself and you'll have to repeat that function again. So that is how you set up your program. I hope that's of help. Thank you.